am Pallavi. In this video, I will explain the medical analysis case study. In this case study, we explore the relationship between the various health related factors and the medical cost charges. I have one raw CSV file to analyze this dataset. In this dataset, 1339 data records are present with the 7 columns. Each column represents the primary beneficiary, 6 columns represent the gender of the beneficiary, BMI column represent the body mass index, children column represent the dependent, smoker column represent the whether the particular beneficiary smoker or not, region column represent the residential, charges column represent the medical charges. This is my formatted CSV file. Here I inserted one column for the category of BMI with the help of BMI column and applied the if formula. Again, I inserted one smoker status column with the help of smoker column and applied the if formula. In a charges column, I converted numerical charges into the currency form. In this case study, we analyze the following agendas. The first is the basic statistic and data understanding. Calculate the average, median, and standard deviation of medical charges, BMI, and age across the entire dataset. For calculating the average of medical charges is equal to average function and select the medical charges range. Select the medical charges column range. Same for calculating the median is equal to median function and select the medical charges column range. For calculating standard deviation is equal to standard dev and select the medical charges column range. In the same way, with the help of this function, I calculated the BMI and age. The second analysis is a gender analysis. Compare the average medical charges and BMI between the male and female beneficiary, which gender has higher average cost and BMI. Go to the insert section, select pivot table. From the table range, select sex in a row and charges and BMI in a value. In value field settings, select average of charges. In value field setting, select the average of BMI. You can see that in this pivot table, the female has the higher average of BMI and male has the higher average of charges. The third analysis is the impact of smoking on a cost. Analyze how smoking status influences the medical cost. Calculate the average cost for smoker versus the non-smoker. For this, I created one pivot table, and with the help of pivot table, I created one pie chart. Let's see in a Excel. Go to the insert section, select pivot table from the table range. Select the data range. Select the smoker status in a row and charges in value. In value field setting, select the average. See, the smoker has the highest average of charges. With the help of this pivot table, create a pivot chart. In a pivot chart, select the pivot chart for the pie. In chart elements, select the data labels. You can see in this chart also, the smoker has the higher average of charges. Fourth analysis is the dependent analysis. Evaluate the relationship between the number of children and medical charges. Do the beneficiary with more dependent incur higher medical cost? Here I created one scatter plot chart. Let's see in Excel. Select the children and charges column. Go to the insert section. Select the scatter plot chart. You can see in this scatter plot chart, the children 0 incur the higher medical cost. The fifth analysis is a geographical insight. Determine which US region has the highest average medical cost and BMI. Create a pivot table and chart that summarize this data by region. Here I created one pivot table, and with the help of pivot table I created one bar chart. Go to the insert section, pivot table from the table range. In new worksheet, OK. Select the region in a row and charges and BMI in value. In value field setting, select the average. Sorry. In value field setting, select the average. Convert the sum of BMI to the average of BMI in value field setting. With the help of this pivot table, create the pivot chart. Go to the pivot chart section, select the bar chart and OK. In chart element, select the data label. Select the data label. You can see in this chart, the southeast region has the highest average of BMI and highest average of charges. See in this pivot table also, southeast region has the higher average of charges and BMI. The next analysis is the cost distribution analysis. Create a histogram to visualize the distribution of medical charges and identify the most common cost bracket. Here I created one histogram to shows the distribution of medical charges. Let's see in Excel. Select the charges column. Go to the insert section. In the insert section, select chart. In all chart, select histogram and OK. See in this histogram, the 1000 1121.87 medical charges has the 354 most common bracket. Seventh analysis is the BMI classification. In this analysis, we count the how many beneficiary falls into the each category. And here I applied the COUNTIF function. Let's see in Excel. For calculating the count of underweighted beneficiary is equal to count if, select the BMI category column, comma, underweight, underweight. You can see the count of underweighted beneficiary are 20. The count of overweighted beneficiary are 380. The count of overweight beneficiary are the 760. The normal beneficiary are 222. The eighth analysis is the advanced correlation analysis. Uses scatter plot to analyze the correlations between the BMI and medical charges. Add the trend line to the scatter plot to access the relationship. Select the BMI and charges column. Go to the insert section. Select the scatter plot chart. This scatter plot chart. Select the chart. In a chart element, you can see the option of trend line. Click on the trend line option to access the relationship. The ninth analysis is a smoking and region interaction. Here I created the pivot table and investigating the interaction effects between the smoking and region on medical charges. Which region has the highest cost for smoker and created two slicer for smoker and smoker status. Go to the insert section, pivot table from the table range. Select the smoker status in a row, region in a column, and charges in value. In value field setting, select the average of charges. You can see in this pivot table, the smoker has the southeast in a southeast region. The smoker has the highest average of charges. See in this pivot table, southeast has the highest cost for the smoker. This one. With the help of this pivot table, go to the insert slicer and select the smoker status slicer and smoker slicer. You can see the two slicer smoker for smoker and smoker status. The 10th analysis is a dashboard creation for the stakeholder. This is my final dashboard. In this dashboard, I created one pivot table that shows the region wise and gender wise average of charges, and one pivot chart which shows the medical charges by the smoker status. Here I created one scatter plot chart. Again, I created one scatter plot chart for BMI and medical charges and shows the trend line. Also, I created 5 slices to make the dashboard more interactive. Thank you.